All right, I'm going to continue on with the Yamaha Grizzly 350. I want to give you guys an opportunity to tell me where to go next. We've got the charging system on the left-hand side. I'd like to show you that at some point. Comment below if that's what you'd like to see next. I'd like to show you how to remove the flywheel, what tools you need to do that, as well as replace the stator. I also could do a service video. I could change the oil for you, service the four-wheeler completely, differentials, spark plugs, air filters. Another video I could do is rebuild the carburetor. I can show you how to clean and rebuild that. I can show you how to remove that. Also could get into the top end. We've got the clutches on the other side. We've got the primary and the secondary. I can show you how to replace a belt. I can show you how to dig into the centrifugal clutch and replace that, replace the seals over on that side as well. There's so many different videos that we could get into on this Grizzly. I want you guys to tell me where to go next. So leave those in the comments below. If you want me to get into the charging system, just say tear into the charging system. If you want me to tear into the rear differential, I can do that as well. I need to get into the rear differential to rebuild those bevel gears, and so I want you guys to let me know if that's something you want me to start on next. This is going to be a bit of a project four-wheeler, so I'm going to have it here for some time, but I want you guys to point me in the direction you guys want me to go. I don't want to continue making videos on four-wheeler rebuilds, maintenance, stuff like that, if that's not what you guys are looking for. So make sure to leave those in the comments below. If this video has been helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends and family. If you hit that notification bell somewhere down, I don't know, at some point you'll see a notification bell. Hit that bell. That way you guys are notified when these new videos come out. Again, if you guys have questions or comments, also leave those below. There's a link below for some of the tools that we use. Also for previous videos or videos that are possibly coming up, some of the tools that we use. We've got a link there for our Instagram. Make sure you check those out. Also our eBay store where we sell a lot of the parts that we have in stock. So that being said, I'd like to tear into this four-wheeler. Make sure you let me know where you'd like me to head next. Thank you guys for watching.